Today, I share with you the story of why I've started this YouTube channel. Hello everyone, I'm Rooshock and welcome to episode number 3 of Journey of Growing a YouTube Channel. On today's episode, I'm actually going to get into a segment at the start talking about why I've actually started this channel, and then I'll get into all the regular analytics, my software and hardware I'm using, what's coming next, and just a general overview of where I'm at the 2-month mark of my YouTube journey. I want to do this at the start of every episode of this series and get into something about the channel itself and link it back to the content of the channel. So I'm going to talk about in future episodes the costs of starting a YouTube channel or the tax effects of starting a YouTube channel and really link it to a personal finance and business point of view. Anyway, let's get into my motivations for starting the channel. So I've started this channel for 2 main reasons. The first being I want to use it as another point of content for my business. So for those that don't know, I run an accounting firm, Rooshock Accounting, and I want to have content that I can give to clients after discussing something with them that they can go back and view it later viewing when it suits them best. So I get a lot of questions that get asked by a lot of people. So when I'm hearing the same question over and over again, I want to be able to have a bit of content that I can give to that client that they can refer back to that will match what I've discussed with them in a meeting, for instance. So a really good example of this, I get asked so many times about starting a new business and how do I get about it. So I've done a few videos on that topic now. So after I meet with the client, I can send them an email and link them back to those few different videos which kind of cover what I would have discussed in that broader meeting with them. And then so the second reason I've started my YouTube channel is I've always wanted to grow a bit of a personal brand to help promote my business, but also allow me to talk about things that I'm passionate about. So I really enjoy talking about personal finance and saving money, as well as business advice and tax advice. So I see this channel as a way I can do both of those things and reach a broad audience. And obviously within that, I can use this channel to hopefully monetize it one day and create other streams of income for myself. So one day I'd love to write a book or do an ebook or do a course or something, just other streams of income to help grow my overall wealth. But most of all, I just want to use this channel to provide value to people. I really enjoy helping people and giving them advice. So this is my way of being able to reach a broader amount of people at once. Now, if this is your first time watching this video, whether you're watching it on YouTube or it's a clip that I put on Facebook or Instagram, I'd really love for you to hit that subscribe button. It really helps me grow this channel and it's the best way for me to make sure that my videos reach you regularly. Alright, so now we're going to go through some of the analytics of the channel. So I'm at the 2-month mark now, so these analytics will reflect the growth over the past month. So as we can see, I'm now up to just short of the 100 subscriber mark. I didn't quite get there this month, but hopefully will in November. My watch time is up. Now, if I was to times the watch time for the last month over a full year, it would get to about 863 hours. So I'm not quite a quarter of the way of what I'd like to be doing each month, but it's a start. And the views are going up pretty much at a steady pace with the watch time, which I'm happy with because it means that audience retention and length of videos is remaining pretty steady. So videos uploaded, I've kept a good steady pace here. Initially I was aiming for 3 videos a week. In November, I'm actually testing just 2 videos a week and seeing the difference that has on the channel growth. Obviously 2 videos a week will be a lot easier to keep up with, but I just want to see what kind of effect that has on the growth of the channel. Alright, so some of the growth strategies I've been implementing, I created a Facebook page. So if you haven't, the link is down below. Go hit the like button on that one. And I've been able to then invite all my friends from Facebook, and I've got 140 likes within the first month of that being active. So I found this a really good way to reach a broader audience. So I've been clipping some of these videos and posting shorter videos on Facebook and been able to reach 300-400 people with these. This is more than any of my YouTube videos have views. What's really been interesting about Facebook is how much better native videos perform compared to YouTube links. So for instance, I posted a video a couple days ago and overnight it got about 350 reach on Facebook. I posted a link to a YouTube video a couple days earlier and it got 6 people reached. That was it. So clearly Facebook doesn't want to promote things that are going to link to an external platform. They want to keep people on the Facebook platform. And I've still been using my Instagram account, not as much as I would like, but I have grown up to about 139 followers now. So this is about 100 new followers within about a month time. I need to be more active on stories and just posts in general. And I'm trying to do, again, about 3 posts a week. So again, if you haven't been following my Instagram, make sure you go down below, hit that link and hit that follow button. All right, when it comes to software and equipment, there haven't been any major changes besides changing from my iPhone X to my iPhone 12 Pro. Some may class this as a major change. It has brought with it some challenges. When I first recorded, for instance, I went to do the editing and all the coloring was way out of whack. So it took me a while to fix that up. I haven't had the chance to play around with a lot of the settings yet. Obviously it does 4K videos and stuff, which I'm gonna play around with that in some smaller videos to start with, see how that goes, and then try and decide what settings I use going forward. Software wise, not a lot has changed. I have upgraded to Canva Pro for a month trial to see what I think of that. It's definitely got a lot of features that the normal version doesn't have, but whether that's enough for me to justify the cost, I'm yet to decide on that. I'm trying to not take on too many costs at the moment while the channel's not generating any revenue at all. All right, and so one tip for someone that is at the 2-month mark of their journey on their YouTube channel, and it would be create a Facebook page and invite your friends to it. You'll never know how many likes you're gonna get, but it's a really easy platform to use, and it's a good way to just reach a broader audience. It might not necessarily equate to more YouTube subscribers and views, etc., but you are still reaching people and getting your message across. So I think it's a really good way. A lot of people have got Facebook friends already, so you can invite them directly, like the page, and it can just give you a little boost of initial following. All right, and so what's coming up next on the channel? My aim is to get to the 100 subscriber mark so I can get a custom channel link. I'm not far off of that. I'm only about 10 subscribers off now. So if we can get to that soon, that would be excellent. And the other main thing I want to do is start a blog. So I've started the website. I'm very picky with this, so it's been a bit of a work in progress, but I'm hoping within the next couple of weeks I can launch that. And this will just allow me to have some written articles that are of a similar content to my videos, but a lot of people don't want to watch videos, they want to read. So I want to be able to reach everyone across the mediums that suit them best. That's the video for today. Leave a comment down below on what's your motivation for starting your YouTube channel. And as always, I will talk to you on the next video.